Hello, welcome to the sixth in a series called You've Been Found Guilty, Now What? My name is Dr. Blatstein. This number 6 series is called An Incorrect Pre-Sentence Report Can Haunt You for the Rest of Your Life. For those of you who have loved ones currently in or about to be incarcerated in the federal system, accuracy in preparing the pre-sentence report cannot be overstated. The smallest error will and can come back to haunt you. This is a case of an example of what happens when an attorney fails to check the pre-sentence report for accuracy. Several months ago, I received a phone call from an attorney who needed help with the following case. She had just picked up a client as the original attorney was no longer practicing. Her new client was about to be released from federal prison. The prison staff had just notified the inmate's attorney that they had just learned that his PSR, or pre-sentence report, had categorized him as a sexual predator when he was a teen or teenager. But once probation became aware of his history, because when they send that information along to the halfway house, it's mandatory that probation turn this over to the states and he become listed on that state's sexual predator list, but now that's for life. Pretty much that means it's game over with this individual, as he will be on that list forever. So why is everybody worried? All parties were worried. The parents, the attorney, the defendant, everyone. The attorney, the incident happened when he was a teen, and from the little bit she could glean or became aware of, it was not even of a sexual nature. Additionally, she felt that as this happened when he was a teenager, but then at this particular time, he was an adult entering the Federal Bureaus of Prisons, it should not even have been included in his pre-sentence report in the first place. But here we were. I cannot overemphasize the importance of double-checking, rechecking the accuracy of the pre-sentence report. It's that important. The challenges it creates can be enormous. The state where this occurred and where he is in prison has very strict sexual predator laws, which stay on your records for life. While the initial attorney had failed to do his or her due diligence, going forward, there is no good clear-cut plan. The options were not great. The BOP or Federal Bureau of Prisons staff, they were willing to release the inmate to an adjacent staff's halfway house with less restrictive laws, as the family was willing to establish a second legal residence in that state. But that was not going to take care of the problem, because once released from that halfway house, should they all return to the original legal resident state where the original incident occurred, that original state sexual predator law would kick in, and again, game over. This is why I cannot overemphasize the importance of an accurate pre-sentence report. Also known as the Inmate's Bible, the pre-sentence report determines where your place follows you throughout your term of incarceration and then through your supervised release. But it doesn't stop there, because it will follow you for the rest of your life. It's truly the gift that keeps on giving. Hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. There's my email, and you can Google me on doing a Google search. I look forward to meeting with you all at our next YouTube session. Hope you have a safe and great day.